will soon become to Odesa. Airstrike will start. Hopefully the rocket will not hit us or anyone around. We are actually on 20th of floor, so we're quite high. So anyway, we will falling down in case of you know what. Anyway, I wish you that you are not in Odesa and that you're not in Ukraine and that you're not experiencing those alarms every day. Not just every day, but few times per day. I only hope you are well and that you will stay well. I love you, God, Francie. And thank you to people who are fighting here for their freedom. Slava Ukraini. Героям слава. Love you all.